I don't.
You know what today is.
Oh, it's Founders Day. Shout out to Good Bros. Happy Founders Day to Kappa Kappa Psi. Thank you. National Army Band Fraternity Incorporated.
What's good? What's good?
Shout out to Bros.
Who? Oh, the Bros.
Not the Bros. The Bros.
The Bros. Okay. Very articulate.
I'm weak. What's this called again? The Spike Sweet?
Spike Peach Tea.
Spike Peach Tea. Shout out my sis Jay. Yo. I do.
Alright, is this thing on? Okay,
It was a lot.
So, I'm here with JaKija's vlogger thingy. And I just wanted to say hi.
Clearly.
Okay.
Clearly, okay.
That's it. That's all.
Oh.
Hey everybody again. So as you can see, JaKija has me bringing her purse. She didn't say please. I think she did say please. But she always asks me to bring her purse. And one day, I'm going to take some out of it. But I'm going to do it on camera so y'all can see. Actually, no, we're not going to do it today. She going to be mad and cuss me out. So I'm going to go ahead and give it to her now. And she's always talking to somebody important.
Happy Founders Day.
She's on the
This
phone.
going on the vlog for Vlogmas. Say hi to the vlog.
Happy Founders Day, bro.
How you figure out how to use my camera?
I'm very intelligent.
Ooh, excuse me. Education.
Okay. The degree is multilingual.
Irritating.
And I've been using cameras since I was a child. I can fade out and fade in. I can give you like the fade out black joint.
Oh my God.
You know what I'm saying? You got the music in the joint right now. Hold on, don't talk.
Copyright. Copyright.
All right. We do not own the right to this music.
I'm doing a tarot reading over here. Right. Well, I got meatballs, shrimp and grits, and we just doing stuff. We about to play a game. I don't know what game we're playing once we done eating. Food's over there. But yeah. What?
And I say this
What's the name of it?
You are a beautiful black woman.
Oh my God. No. What game is this?
It's called Bad People.
Bad People?
Yes.
So what's the object of the game?
So basically, what's going to happen is this. Everybody's they're gonna pick an identity. Okay? You listening?
Yes.
Everybody picks an identity. Okay? After that, a card is drawn. A statement is made. Who can all kill one person without the possibility of getting caught? No shit, hold on. Ooh, I'm dyslexic. Hold on.
Yo.
Can you cut that?
Yeah. I'm gonna start.
Huh?
Okay, so what's the game and how do you play?
Alright, so the game is called Bad People.
What?
Alright, so how many do we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Oh my God.
It's 9 people. Alright, so we can get rid of one card. Whoever don't want to pick it. Alright, so basically everybody's going to pick a card, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the card that they pick is their identity card. So the next thing we're going to go around, everybody takes a turn, they're going to draw a white card. And then so they're going to read out the white card. So for example, this one says, we can all kill one person without the possibility of getting caught. Who's most likely to do it? So then everybody basically is going to put down their card, face down.
Who they think would do
Who they
it.
think would do it.
Okay.
But you also want to guess the same thing that the person who's drawing the card guesses. So now I'm gonna read it to you.
So if so for instance, we get that card, right?
Wait, were you reading it the whole time?
Are you listening?
Was I right?
Are you listening to me though?
2 points for you.
So basically, if I get the white,
You.
are you listening to me?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
So basically, if I pick the white card and that's the card I get, whoever I think would be the person to do that, whoever, you know, out of y'all matches me, they get points?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
What is this drink called, Aaron?
No, I'm just throwing away stuff, and I just want to make sure everybody has
He irritating.
It is sweet love. It's sweet tea with motherfucking crown apple. But it was sweet tea.
You still eating
Oh,
more.
just a bunch of sweet tea.
Lately they've been doing like this, so.
Okay, what are we doing?
We are making cinnamon toast crunch shots.
Making cinnamon toast crunch shots. Smile Jordan.
So I made these. I got these the last time I went to Crazy Crab, and it was so good. So I had to get them for like it's like a holiday kind of a drink. You want to try one?
Yeah.
No. Okay.
Oh, no.
So okay, do me a favor. Will you give me the sparkling cider off the door for you guys? Then I got y'all a non-alcoholic one too. So
And I got mine.
1, 2, 3, 4,
So
5,
Spiked.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Spiked.
That's
It's
spiked
called,
I got my
peach.
spiked
sweet
peach.
love
It's called
Sweet
sweet
love.
love. Right?
because it's got multiple sweet teas in it. And it's got a little bit of love with that crown.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay.
What's that, Aaron?
People that's drinking.
Yeah.
Gotta take care of the non-drinkers.
It makes me go to the bathroom. You have all
My lactose intolerant brother.
Right.
They're not us either.
I've had that before. I'm just not a soda. Hey,
Send my house right now.
yeah, I can do that. But like, Casamigos
For my non-alcohol drinking folks.
Okay, so
Wait,
what's the
that's
name
not
of this?
No,
No.
no. Sparkling cider.
Look over that little whiskey in that motherfucker.
Oh, look at that. I hate so irritating.
So irritating. Like all the whiskey and cider. It's
Ghetto. So what are we making?
Okay, so cinnamon toast crunch shots are like an ounce of each. So you get an ounce of Fireball, so you have that cinnamon, and then you get an ounce of rum chata, which is Caribbean rum with a little bit of dairy in it. So it gets like that
Milk,
cinnamon like, but it's like a holiday drink. So don't try it in the summertime because it still has that killer
Oh,
feel.
period. Okay.
God knows. Since like
I got a
privilege.
lead and a half.
Like
I'm gonna show you
I had like privilege.
I like to say better.
And I stopped
I can
there.
do privilege and you be good. You do white Hennessy.
We're gonna do them a little heavy. So you won't have to make 10 like I thought.
Facts.
I need to be like,
I had regular Hennessy.
I don't know, bro. I'm looking on bottom. Y'all can have tequila and rum.
I don't like vodka either.
Tequila.
Vodka is the devil.
College killed that for me.
Vodka and gin are the devil for me.
Yeah, it's a no for me, dog. Have a good night.
I don't drink alcohol at all.
Tequila. I
For
can
so
drink
many
tequila.
reasons.
I can do
I just
tequila.
like
But I especially don't
Like,
drink
it's like 12 o'clock,
Period.
and then I can still wake up.
Okay.
It is very much all bad.
Brown don't give me no headache. Give me wine and brown.
Like, and I can still wake up and like be at like 6 before you having
Shut
You should get it up close, like me pouring the milk in
If
it.
I have
If you drink it
anything,
so pretty when it does that.
Yeah, get the little, do slow motion.
I don't know how I feel about this one. Do we go with the other
Yeah. Shut up.
I just go right with like I just want to y'all just like go to my dip.
Yeah, if people want to need me for nothing, nobody wants to.
Period. What?
Are we supposed to sip this? Is this creamy?
I don't know what this is.
Yo,
It's
this
not giving a shot by.
Risk it all.
it's giving us 2 shots, okay, y'all?
Yeah.
No,
Get
what's
some
the
coke.
creamy?
It smells good.
Rum chata.
Okay. We doing it.
They know you won't die.
We
Try
doing
it.
half.
It's good. Half. Ready? Cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers.
Shayla's face.
Because what the fuck is this?
Oh Lord.
I could see what they was trying to do.
I see what you tried to do there.
It's good though, it's strong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This don't taste like rum damn cinnamon toast crunch.
I was trying to make it a little stronger for y'all, but it doesn't
No, I
get
wanted to give the cereal taste.
Well, here, well, can we get some more white then? That's all you need.
Ooh.
Can't get rid of that.
Sit back and taste it.
This sparkling cider is delightful.
Mm-hmm.
I said, nah, let me see that real quick.
Right, let me say that real quick. Hey man, I play cards. I know when somebody's cheating.
We got the most thorough taboo referee I've ever seen in my whole life.
Cheating.
Oh, give me the card.
No crying in the paint.
Come on, rule number 25.
There you go.
I can't see it. That's what she
Okay,
said.
we're
No,
starting.
Nope.
I can't see it. It's not red.
Okay.
I got her.
2, 1, go.
Okay. Ooh, T.I.
ATL Atlanta.
Tiny.
What's another name for him?
Small,
Tip.
tip.
Boom.
That's one.
So, Okay, so when I wear sneakers, I don't like when they in the front.
Ball.
Oh,
Heel.
Crease.
Open.
Curve.
Crease.
Shape.
So your shower curtain, when you pull it back, it what?
Rolls.
Flies.
What's the word for that?
Spins.
Flips.
So women are trying to prevent these on their pretty places.
Ingrowns.
Hair.
Something else. Something else.
Curly hair.
What else are they trying to prevent?
Hyperpigmentation.
A pH.
What else?
I don't know, Jordan. I'm not a woman.
I don't know either.
I don't
It
know.
was wrinkles, y'all.
Thank you.
Oh.
You couldn't say
It was
anything.
wrinkles.
You couldn't say like
Lady part.
That's why we got
you couldn't say in time.
I got it the first when she said.
You couldn't say in time.
Dang.
Come on,
I'm
Jordan.
trying to talk around and like, when
Yeah,
you
yeah.
pull back, when it gets wrinkle, nigga.
I'm about to get these names out here. We about to get it going.
Huh? We gonna do this.
That's a good job, though. That's a good job, though.
That's how we doing, Fred.
Put the cards down. Put the cards down. He coming. Put the
We're down
cards
three.
Good job.
All right, no, but put the cards down.
We down 3, so I gotta make. We down 3, y'all. So I gotta make it regardless.
She was like,
Come on.
Just cut
We
the deck
ready.
right now.
Right.
that joint like a head car.
Bro, like an air, I'm like,
Come on, you over there. You ready to the wrong
ready.
person.
hey, she got to move out.
Y'all ready?
She had like going on.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Red side, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a small little movable thing that people travel on, not planes, but
Jet.
Trains.
okay,
buses.
what kind of trains? What are
No,
the
sky train.
She said train, I
What'd
can
you
say
say?
it already.
Yeah, she said sky
Thank
train.
you. Next,
Sky
so
train?
the train, it's
Smart train?
small. What do they call the small trains?
What the fuck?
We're just gonna
that?
skip that.
No.
I can say it if she already said it. Okay, not today, but
Tomorrow.
no.
Yesterday.
There we go. Okay, this one, okay, the instrument with the black and white keys.
Piano.
Okay,
Keyboard.
but what do they call pianos if it's big?
A grand piano.
Okay.
Turn
You put coins in here.
A coin
piggy bank.
purse. A wallet. 3.
People go to bars for this.
Drink.
Sticker.
No, what
Dance,
what
karaoke.
night? Yup. We
4.
Tommy.
That piggy bank one, she gonna say. She can say.
No, I can say coins. I couldn't say children, money, savings, pennies,
Yeah.
or allowance.
Yep. I was looking right here.
That was dumb.
It wasn't
But
me.
y'all gotta play because we skip. So the thing is, if you
I
skip,
got
it's a
you.
point for the other team. I know that, right?
Yeah.
So y'all did get a
Oh my
point. because we
God.
skipped.
I ain't even.
Wait, did we get a point?
No, y'all did, y'all.
I'm greasy, y'all. I mean, a Jolly Rancher. Oh, I'm showing the people our pictures. Is this the? This is the good one.
I don't think you allowed to do.
I can show them my picture. Hopefully, I can see it. Stop, Aaron. I want them to see it. Look at me. Me. Oh, right there. So yeah, we took these pictures. We got an off-guard one too, but it's not doing what it needs to do. So yeah, it was cute. I took a picture of it because we don't leave it here. For Jordan, they playing video games right now. I think they playing Mario Kart. No.
It looks so beautiful.
Thanks. What does the little boy say? You look so good. I want to have sex with you. You gotta see it. I think it's on TikTok.
So now I have to get JaKija's drunk ass out.
Excuse me?
You ready? So, JaKija, are you ready to go?
You look dusty.
No, I don't.
Yeah,
Yes, it is. I know. I could pass them.
It was over with for me.
That shit look like it stinks.
All right, we're coming to you live in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. JaKija, are you ready to go? Because the nigga is tired. Your ass need to drive. Your pictures will be there when you get home. The question is, will you?
Yes.
Dun, dun, dun.
See how you be
It's giving DA.
She got her cigarettes in her front. She said, I tried to buy you.
Ooh, I know. I don't know why though.
What are you doing?
Well, this is very interesting. I love this camera.
How y'all doing? What's up, guys? What's up, baby?
Aaron. I need to clean my room. But I'm back home, as y'all can see. Well, if y'all know. I'm back home. I'm so tired. I'm about to drink some water, wash my face, and go to sleep. It's like 2 something in the morning. I'm too old for this. My face looks crazy. But yeah, we're gonna take it off and lay it on down. But anyways, I think this is day 3, if I didn't already say that, of Vlogmas. I hope y'all enjoying so far. Every day is not gonna be a vlog. Like I said, y'all can get some different videos because I cannot vlog every day. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'm so tired. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because I see a lot of y'all not liking, not commenting, and not subscribing. But we hit 500 subscribers, so I'm ecstatic about. Is it X? I'm ecstatic about that. Love all 500 of y'all. It's a small goal, but we reached it, and we're gonna keep growing. So that's it, gang. I will talk to y'all in the next video. Can't even say vlog because I don't know what the next video is gonna be, but I'll holler at y'all.